Smells like rubbing alcohol. What's in this month's Play by Sephora box? Let's find out. Hey guys, how you doing? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up the Sephora Play box. If you're new here, my name is Angie and my channel is about everything life improved. And I'm going to walk you through what's in this Sephora Play box so you can decide if it's going to be a good subscription for you. Now, a little bit about me. I don't have to get dressed up and wear makeup very often in my life, maybe a few times a month. So I can't tell you how little I spend on makeup and face care and all that stuff. I've been a Birchbox subscriber for about 4 years, and the majority of all my beauty products come via my Birchbox. I decided to try Sephora Play. This is my second box. I may decide to switch to it exclusively. If you missed my Birchbox November video, I just posted it. I'll put a link up here or here, or it'll be somewhere. You can go back and watch the Birchbox. Let me know what you think about that month's offerings. And let's get into the Sephora box, okay? Enough chattering. Alright, so the first thing on top of the Sephora box is the little booklet. You get 50 Sephora points. I've not really done anything with those yet. And then on the inside, Holiday Survival Pocket Guide, Party Proof Lips, How Bold Should You Go, Keep the Conversation Flowing, and then Should You Go to the Party? I don't know, should you? And then a 5-minute office makeover. And when we open it up, it gives us details about the products that are in our box. So let's see what we've got today. Alright, so the first thing that I see is the quote, "Your once-a-month squeal-inducing bag of amazingness is here." Can't tell you the last time I squealed. So if it happens, because this is squeal-inducing, you guys will be the first to know. Woo! Alright, so the first thing I've pulled out here, Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick. And it says here, Hydra Plump Semi-Matte Liquid Lipstick in Smoked Sherry. A liquid lipstick in red mauve shade with a semi-matte finish. That's good. I don't wear lipstick very often. There's something in some lipsticks that I'm allergic to. So I have to be really careful about what I use. But when I do wear lipstick, I like a matte because it, it doesn't get everywhere. So I'm looking forward to trying this. Not at this exact moment, apparently. So it's a good size sample. I was just outside. My hands are completely dry. Oh, next up. Oh, I love Davine. No, this is Philosophy. I lied. Haha. Philosophy After Party Purity Made Simple Cleanser. An effective one-step cleanser that tones and lightly hydrates skin. So going back to, I don't wear a lot of makeup and I don't buy a lot of face products. Guys, this will last me forever. Because yes, I do wash my face, but that's why I don't have to buy a lot of makeup products. Because every month, basically, I get a moisturizer or a face cleanser. So I'm taken care of. My skin, luckily, is not real picky. My lips, like I said, are, but my skin's not. So Philosophy is a good product. I'm excited to use this. Next up, we have a Laura Mercier. There's not a lot to see right there. Laura Mercier Translucent Loose Setting Powder. A silky sheer powder that locks in makeup for long-lasting wear. Actually, really stoked about this. I occasionally do pinup contests. I've got some videos you can see. I'm terrible with hair and makeup, but the one thing that I learned, these pinup contests typically happen in the summer. It's hotter than blue blazes. You need a loose setting powder to set your makeup, and then you hit it with a finishing spray. I don't actually have a loose setting powder. I've just been kind of cheating and getting by. So this will definitely get used. Probably not on a daily rotation. Well, definitely not on a daily rotation, but it will get used. It'll go in my arsenal of products. And again, this will probably last me until it rots. So it makes way more sense for me to get a subscription box and get one than to go buy one for, you know, $30, $40, whatever it costs. I mean, granted, you don't know what you're getting, so it's a crapshoot. But anyway, Clinique Pep Start Eye Cream. Yes. I am definitely of the age where I have the eye cream needs. Every couple of months, I get one of these in my Birchbox, and so I'm good on eye cream. I do have a brand that I like, that I buy if I completely run out, but I don't typically run out. Now, I know some of y'all watching thinking, girl, she need to be buying some eye cream because, yeah, this situation's kind of bad. I know. I probably should get better care of myself, but it's all good. I'm a simple person. I don't mind a little wrinkling. And next up, Juliet has a gun, not a perfume. Okay, so what is it if it's not a perfume? This fresh and clean scent is composed of just one note, Cetilox, making it hypoallergenic and ideal for people who normally pass on perfumes. Woody and earthy is the fragrance family. I typically like woody and earthy. So I've recently become addicted to Tom Ford Ombre Leather. I talked about it in my November favorite things video. But this might be a contender. I might pop this open and take a little whiff of this. And I think this is the last item. Yes, We leave-in conditioner. Love leave-in conditioners because this is all natural and sometimes it is hard to comb out. So a good leave-in conditioner helps me get the tangles out without taking like half my hair off my head in the process. So really excited about this, and now I don't have to buy any. I actually had it on my list, like, hey, go get some leave-in conditioner. No, I don't have to. So that is it for the Sephora Play Box. Unfortunately, I'm still not sure which route I'm going to go, Birchbox or Sephora, because both of them were really good this month. In the Sephora, I got the perfume, I got the one-step cleanser, the hair straightener, the hair conditioner, the translucent powder, the lip gloss, and the eye cream. So that's a really good combination. And I have to make my mind up because my Birchbox renews, I think, next month. So if you have any opinions on Sephora versus Birchbox, I'm struggling here. I like both of them. Or if you know of another one I should try before I commit, let me know in the comments below. If you saw a product that you like, let me know below. Any recommendations. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. And I would love it if you would subscribe. I promise you videos that are going to improve your life. Have a great day, you guys. Stay strong. Bye.